Did you know the greatest conqueror in history vanished without a trace, and 800 years later, no one can find his body? When Genghis Khan died in 1227, possibly from falling off his horse, his generals faced a terrifying problem. If word got out, the entire empire would collapse into rebellion. So they kept his death secret for months, carrying his body over 1,000 miles back to Mongolia for burial. But here's where it gets dark. Every single person who witnessed that funeral procession was murdered. Herdsmen, travelers, entire villages slaughtered to protect the secret. The soldiers who dug his grave executed immediately after. Even the horses that trampled the burial site were killed. Legend says 2,000 people died protecting this one secret. Today, modern satellite imagery and ground-penetrating radar still can't locate his tomb, which supposedly contains the greatest treasure hoard in human history. The most powerful man who ever lived became the most perfectly hidden corpse in history. His final victory was making himself invisible forever.